Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. I'm going to be taking you on a tour of our apartment, starting with the foyer and the stairs. Now this is what 1800 will get you in New Jersey, and no complaints, very satisfied with what we had. As we open the door, the first thing you see is our living room. Now I will do a full pan of that living room, but first to the left hand side will be our kitchen. And surprisingly, we were able to get a full-size kitchen. Now, I know that's difficult sometimes in apartments, but because this is a family home, we were able to get that. It's not an apartment complex, but as you can see, there's ample amount of storage here in this kitchen. It's a full kitchen, and we can fit a good amount of people in here if, we spend the time entertaining, especially in the kitchen. This is our pantry, looking kind of light, but there's a reason. I will let you guys know that a little bit later. So, believe it or not, storage on left side and straight forward. You could see we have a lot of things, enough space for everything. Panning out into the kitchen from the pantry, you could see all the cabinets, all the space. Again, I'm very, very happy with the size of this kitchen. So it comes in handy, really does. So going back towards where we came from the front entrance, will put us towards the living room. I'm sure you guys have seen many videos as I'm cleaning. I will post those up later so you can check them out. And this is the view from the living room into the kitchen. So very convenient for movie nights, if you know what I mean. Easy access to that popcorn. So here's that pan. It's a very long living room, but I love the concept of, being open. That's like one of my biggest things. I love open concepts. So to the right, once you walk in, now you have the bathroom, but next to the bathroom, luckily there is a linen closet. I think as a woman and having a place, linen closets are a must, especially if they're right near the bathroom. I mean, I'm sure everyone can agree with me. So as you can see, the linen has like these iron bars. Didn't like them, so I kind of just made my own with a vinyl sheet to kind of cover up those white iron things. Not a big fan. Going into the guest bathroom. This is the biggest bathroom we have. We do have another one, but as you can see, same thing. You got cabinets down below, your toilet, shower, tub. We have it all. It's a pretty good layout, I'm not gonna lie. And yeah, it's great having some big bathroom to use. Coming out of the bathroom, you see a door. Now, once you open that door, you will understand it's a washer dryer hookup. These are my washer and dryer machines because it did not come with the place. But why not splurge a little and get some good washer and dryer? Made a little closet, laundry room. Now we have a bedroom to the left and we have a bedroom to the right. And the bedroom to the left is now, it's an art room, an office, and a guest bedroom. So as you can see in here, there's a lot of storage space that we have built in there for most of the art supplies. And you'll soon see in the closet, which is a disaster, but has most of our supplies and things we need, especially for this bedroom being a multi-functional bedroom. Now that bed you can sleep too. And like I was saying with the closet, it is packed. We're using this as also storage. But to the left of it is mostly the art supplies, and then of course, games for game night and things like that. And then moving on to the next bedroom. This is the master bedroom, and once you're in here, it's hard to tell the amount of space you have in this bedroom, but it is a pretty big bedroom. Now it's a cloudy day, it snowed, it's been snowing for days, so it's kind of hard to see, it's a little bright, but this is our balcony, and there's a river right behind it. Now we got lucky with the his and hers closet, which they're pretty much even in space, and you have enough room for, everything you need. So Jordan's closet is right here. There's a built-in drawer and shelf unit as well. And then whatever needs to be hanged. And then to the left of it is my closet, which it goes in pretty deep. You can't even see it because the doors, but it does go in deep enough to the left and right. And then obviously you have those cabinets down below where you can open them, and I just have like pajamas and stuff in there and, workout gear. Yeah, for a bedroom, it's a pretty decent sized bedroom. And then you have your main bathroom in here, which is smaller than the other one, but then again, it has its benefits. You have the jacuzzi tub in here and a heated lamp. So when you come out of that shower, you're nice and warm. And yeah, that's pretty much the entire apartment. Now, for this amount of money in New Jersey, I will take this in a heartbeat. It was amazing, finding out that Jersey does have apartments like this. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to take you on one last little quick walk around and enjoy. If you haven't, subscribe, like the videos. If you have any questions, let me know. Whether it's decor questions, anything, I'm here. Enjoy. Bye.